Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where I look at various art books and magazines. And Georgia Giraffe is with us because we're going to be looking at the latest issue of the ImagineFX magazine, which is issue number 243 for October 2024. So before we get into that, here's the previous ones for 2024. And my favourite covers so far are actually these two here. I also like that one. That was the last issue, but my favourite covers are these two. And I still can't decide which is my favourite one. Oh, and also I picked up in W.H. Smith's this one, Inside the Artist's Studio. This is the 4th edition, and well, I'm going to do a video of that in the future. I haven't really looked inside of it yet. All I did was in the W.H. Smith's, I looked in here and I saw that it had, look, Peniel Oram, one of my favourite artists. So I'm going to do that in the future. But the big question is this cover here going to be as beautiful as these two? Looks like we've got I like the style of it. Look, can you see that little thing down there? I'm just going to pop. I like the look of the art style. Georgia Giraffe, he's going to show us it. Pop. Ooh. Look at the little brush strokes on that. That is a cool one, that is. Concept designs. The artist is Alex Alexandrov. I've heard of that name before. It's definitely one of the top. It's going to be one of the top sort of the top 50% of the covers, I think, for this year. It's one of my favourites, but these two are still definitely my favourite one. But sometimes you get a really good cover and a rubbish, like the contents isn't as good as the cover. But I like the look of that one. It's very nice. I especially like the colour of that. It's nice, that is. Yay! Little editor Rob. You can get, look, we've got a dinosaur there. What I do on these is I just go through them and talk about the things for the first time. Here's the artist's studio. Philippe Gaulier. Got a sketchbook using blue pencils and things. Nothing's really popping out at me there. She looks quite cool. Nothing's really popping out at me there. Next one's going to be, oh look, stylised character art. That'd be nice. 27th of August. That one comes out. That'd be cool. Look. Beautiful covers. Oh, I tell you, there's something wrong with my camera where it's like moving on its own. I don't know why it's doing that. Hopefully that'll be better. But I think I haven't tightened the screws up enough. FXPosé, look. That reminds me of Burnout Crash. A video game. That's cool. Little dragons. Friendly dragons. That's what I think. If you ever want to know any of these artworks, like the names of them or something, if you can't read this bit, if you just put a comment, I can show you. That's Warcraft. I can find out I like these ones. I like these. Yay, I like these. Look, oh cool. Look, she's got little fangs. Nah. I like it when characters... What a cool character that is. She's got a tail. Like a little fox lady. I like that one. I think that's my favourite so far. I like the way the gesture is very sort of curvy, but the lines are quite straight and sort of angular. It's quite cool that how they've done that. Rookies! Hey look, they've got 2 pages for the rookies. Wonder how to kickstart your costume design career. That's that girl there, look. I'm very sorry about, that's Doctor Who, isn't it? I'm very sorry about my camera moving on its own. I don't know what to do about that, because I'm sure I've tightened the screws up. I might have to get a new tripod or something. She's quite cool. I like that dress better. It's more, it's quite, I find that more sexy when you've got like less. Hey! Look, Philippe, Gaulier. Look at all these books everywhere, look. That's mad, that, isn't it? I like that. That's, I've seen that somewhere before, that. It's quite big, that, isn't it, that skeleton. Is that from 3D Total Publishing? And it's all... I'm sure that's, I think 3D Total Publishing made some of those. They did a skull and, like a skeleton. That looks a bit like a sort of, space station. Looking out the window, look. That's Akira, isn't it? Or something. Not sure. Yay. Oh, that's quite cool. Look, a little throne there. Oh, that's quite cool. Ta-da! Lots of art books. I like that. I'd like to go through their books. That's what is the letters, but the Art of Gaëlle Seguillon. Dinosaurs. I like these. I like that one best, I think. Oh, that's nice. That's cool as well. The only thing I would say about these is I feel like the camera's zoomed out a bit, so I suppose it's sort of like the it's almost like the environment is just as important as the characters. It's like it's so far zoomed out. That's a cool one as well. All these covers, look. Yay! Ludo Lullabi. Sketchbook. Oh yeah. Look, like a robot sort of thing. That's a cool sketchbook. I like that, look. That's I like that. Yeah, I like the way they're mixing sort of like sexy with technology and robotic things. That's cool, that is. Got 3 pages for this one. Yeah. I'd really like to look at this artist's finished artwork. They're cool though. These are little workshops, look. Look, in the original one, I think he had his eyes. Look, you can see his eyes in the sketch. And then they decided to put like a little visor on him. I wonder, hey look, he's got glasses there. I wonder why they chose to put a visor on. Look, I want to know why they put a visor on him. Don't forget, I changed the rider's design again at this point, probably going through 4 versions before I finally got the look I wanted. I'm trying to... I wonder why they put a visor on. That's cool, isn't it? Look at that. That's cool. Look. Also got a little thing here. Almost like that's the treasure. Huh. Oh, I'd like to see more of that. Oh, that's cool, that. Mixed media cities. Doesn't really interest me, that. That looks a bit, that reminds me of Atlantis. Apparently Atlantis was like that. Circular shape. Bum! The Secrets of Colour Painting with Charlie Pickard. That's a very nice shape, that, isn't it? Yeah, I remember those. They're cool, they are. I love the way this artist uses colour. Yeah, look, they've even like sort of merged the background's almost merging with the face. Look, you can just slightly see the face shape there. Oh, look at that! Look, applied textures. That's another one I'd like to see more of. That's cool. This one reminds me of the book Framed Ink. It's all about like compositions with ink. Paint a creepy, ghostly entity. Look, had a head there, and the head come off. I like the way she's got a little hood on. If that had been me, I would have probably I would have just had that one on its own. I think it would have been more creepy. That's what I think. That is a very cool design, that character. Oh, that's a cool character as well. Find photo references. I like that one. Yeah, cool character. Like, really cool pose. Traditional artists. I really like this bit as well. Mate J. Look, he's called Mate. I've never heard anyone called Mate before. That's nice. Again, look. Little baby man or something. Is that like Alice in Wonderland? Oh, these are cool actually. Sort of, yeah, bonkers. I'd like to look into that artist. From Spain now. They're on Instagram, Twisted Matter. Draw stylish Destiny fan art. they had Destiny in the last issue, didn't they? That's quite nice actually. I like that little stamp. Pikachu there, look. Oh, nice lighting on their desk. That's cool. Oh, and that's it. First impressions. That one went very quickly. Yeah, very nice issue. I don't think that was one of my favourite issues ever, but I especially like this sketchbook section. That was cool, and I like that. There's that one image in here. Look at that. That is amazing to me. That. I would like to see that properly without the thing down the centre. But I hope you enjoyed this. It was a look at issue number 243 of the ImagineFX magazine, and I think it's for October 2024. So we've got November, December. We got 3 left. There's only 3 left for this year. I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you later for another one.